Okay, group's ready. Pulling in 3, 2, 1. And power shot. Grenade. Pen shot. Apex. Get away by Apex. And it's going to be scatter. Aki, scatter. There goes 1, 2, run. Grenade. Go to Apex. Everybody to Apex. Grenade. Gonna do. Normally
He's not
splash
moving,
shot.
I'm just aiming this to the back of the room. Just don't be.
And then it's power shot. Everybody out. Sniper shield on the leg.
Over here.
Aki, where you going?
Knock it in.
Okay.
Done it. I got a smoke in there.
The boss knocked me.
Oh, I didn't see him knocking you. I'm gonna top the pool.
Come again?
We're in Apex.
Oh, the bird. Yeah, thank
It's
you.
okay. Yep.
Apex, everybody Apex. Apex.
The other bird got knocked in.
I shoot.
Done. We got.
I hope it's on me.
I was gonna
Yeah,
say,
it's on.
I hope it's on you too.
Red drop. A grenade, maybe possible. Perhapsingly.
Stuck on.
Scatter. Oh, on Gargos. Scatter is nice. Hey, Pen. Get away from me. Grenade? Oh, who has it? But it's going to be power shot probably there. Or, yeah, power shot. Here we go. And egos.
Eggs, some people stay away. Take a step back when you get one.
Grenade maybe?
On the
Egg.
brutal. The
Okay,
Everything?
Apex.
Yeah.
My wrist went.
Get grenade away.
Do you want to step out and grab dogs now? Scatter on synthesis. Don't aim at the egg. Yeah, nice.
Oh, you aimed at the egg.
Never mind. It hit. Stop.
We lost.
this.
It's still dual. Yeah.
No, go on with your
We've hit Flying Fortress.
I'm gonna come take the
Get to
dogs
the
as
edge of the
well.
light.
I have boss, I need heals. I know it.
You need to stand right
the
next.
boss.
You need to stand right next to the light, Brutus. Don't stand away from the light.
I'm
We need
standing,
to
I'm
knock, we need to knock on birds. We need to knock on birds.
Carving.
Second carb.
Push boss, push boss,
I don't
push
have
boss,
Push. Push.
And we got.
Just push.
And shot
We
on
can.
brutal.
We can still do. Push. All right, survive. Stay in the light. Stay in the light.
He's
Hey,
pushed.
Push. All right, stay in the light.
Pray.
No, it'll be a Shelly, but it's all right. Just we need people who taunt, and then taunt off each other.
I think it's a kill.
No, it's Gillis.
Oh my god.
Fuck this boss! Fuck him all!